adhyasa of Atma on Anatma and that of Anatma on Atma with mutual attributes is not possible. What are the reason given? Adhyasa samagriya bhava. Samagri, the essential, the prerequisite that is necessary for any superimposition is absent. What can be the prerequisite? It says it can be Purva Pramahita Samskara, page 8, line 2, Ratna Prabha. Continue, you should know early, yesterday where it was left out. So page 8, line 2. Because here, Purva Pramahita Samskara, Samskara, Ahita, means Janita, born of, produced by Purva Prama. What is the Purva Prama? Earlier knowledge? Knowledge of identity between the two. So such thing is not there, therefore samskara is not there. Sadrishyam, some similarity, like the silver is glittering, shell also is shining, so some similarity. Or ajnanam, ajnana, which is there. All this, na hi va asti. Either of them, not all the three required. Only one is there, we can prove the adhyasa is not there. So another thing, how do you say, or at least ajnana should be there, or this is not there? Look, tell me, what is your Atma? Nirguna or Saguna? Nirguna. Is it Savayava or Niravayava? Niravayava. See, it is free for your Brahma Atma is attributeless. Accepted? Your Brahma Atma is Niravayava. Niravayava means free from parts. If Savayava or Saguna, then something we can at least, if the things cannot get superimposed, one attribute of one can be put on the other. A party nahi hai idhar. So therefore he says, see, what is your Atma, Brahma? Continuing, Niravayava Nirguna Swaprakashatmani. The Atma, Brahma, which is Niravayava, partless, limbless. Nirguna, attributeless. Swaprakasha, again Swaprakasha means what? Self-evident. I hope you know the meaning of what is self-evident. Means it is known on its own. Look here, I am. What you have to make use of? Are you making use of Indriyas?
No.
Are you making use of mind? In sleep your mind is not there. Still that experience, I was asleep. You can get out. Means it is Swayam Prakasha, Swaprakasha, self-evident, not made known by something else. So Swaprakasha, that is Chaitanya, Atma is Swaprakasha. So therefore say, straight away say, I am. I am, you don't need Jnanendriyas, nor you need mind, nor you need intellect. So it is self-evident, Swaprakasha. So therefore you say, Swaprakasha Atmani. Now, when you say Sadrishya, similarity, something is similar, means Avayava must be there or not, part must be there or not. So therefore you say, Gunavayava Sadrishya cha Yoga. It is not possible to have some similarity in terms of guna or avayava. Then ajnana may be there. Why not ajnana? Ajnana also is not possible. Why ajnana is not possible? See, you can connect something which is with parts or with the gunas. And another thing, your Atma is asanga or sasanga? Asanga. With asanga, how come any asanga have connection with who? Can the space have connection with the fragrance? Oh, this is very good fragrance. That foul smell, let it be there. I think let me have this fragrance. Is it there? No. It is more subtle. It is asanga. Like that, asanga Atma cannot have connection with the ajnana. Ajnanasya ayoga. Now, a doubt is raised. Purva Paksha comes. Some people know the Purva Paksha means pipi. Pipi. Good. Pipi. Pipi. So, Somebody was telling in the past, his boss, his initials were PP, and he was a big headache. Whenever he said P, Pura Paksha PP. So like that, PP. So that Pura Paksha, doubt comes here now. What is that doubt? Sir, do you remember? What did he say? What did he say? See, look here, take the bhasha. Itaretara bhavanpapattau siddhayam. After that, what did you say? Tad dharmanam api. Sutaram itaretara bhavanupati. Tad dharmanam api. Kasya dharmanam api. Atmanaha dharmanam api. Brahmanaha dharmanam api. So right now you said what Brahma is, Atma is, Nirguna. And you are talking of gunas, dharmas, attributes of Atma not being superimposed on Anatma. How come? I hope you have got it. Your Atma is Nirguna. Now Tad Dharmanam stands for Atmanaha Dharmanam. Attributes of Atma, they are not superimposed on, they cannot be superimposed on Anatma. Means you do accept, what do you accept? Dharmas, gunas for what? Atma. You are caught up now. So therefore I say, answer is now that doubt is real and answer is going to be given. Nanu Atmanaha Nirgunatve. When Nirgunatve Sati, when it is so. What is so? According to you, Atma, Brahma is what? Nirguna, attributeless. Agreed? So then, Tad Dharmanam iti. Tad Dharmanam put in bracket. Inverted comma. Not bracket, inverted comma. Tad Dharmanam. Why? Because it is from Bhashya. Tad Dharmanam api itaretara bhavanupatti. Sutaram itaretara bhavanupatti. That Tad Dharmanam from Bhashya. Iti Bhashyam katham iti che. When you are denying the superimpositions of the attributes of Atma on Anatma, first you are accepting the gunas, dharmas of Atma. How is it? This is what is called as technically apasiddhanta. Apasiddhanta means you are going against your own doctrine. Your Siddhanta doctrine, what does it say? Atma is Nirguna, and you are talking of some gunas of the Atma. He says, Kathamiti chet uchyate. Sir, here is the reply. What is that? See, these actually are the Swarupa of Atma, but on account of Buddhi Upadhi, on account of Antakarana Vritti, they appear as though distinct gunas of Atma. Really they are not so. It is only secondary usage, but not in the primary sense. So they say, Buddhi, now say, what is Jnanam? Buddhi vrittya abhivaktam chaitanyam jnanam. The Chaitanya, which is abhivaktam, manifest in what? Buddhi vritti. Buddhi vritti means what? Vishayakara antakarana vritti. A thought corresponding to the Vishaya in the antakarana. So that is what is called Chaitanya. See, according to Vedanta, the Jnana is not vritti. Vritti is meant for removal of the ignorance. It is the Chaitanya reflected in the vritti, that is knowledge. So therefore this is what Vedanta says. Buddhyabhivaktam chaitanyam jnanam. So that is what is the jnana. But actually it is what Chaitanya only or not. Then what is the object? You say Vishayabhedena abhivaktam spuranam. Spurana here means not knowledge, the actual object. What is that actual object? It is also Chaitanya, identical with the particular Vishaya, the object. So Vishaya bhedena, abhedena, in identity, identical with Vishaya, abhivaktam spuranam. So that spurana is what? Actually the manifestation of the object. That also is what? Chaitanya. What about Ananda? Shubha karma janya vritti vaktam anandaha. Chaitanya only Vyaktam, manifest in the vritti. What vritti? Born of Shubha Karma. That is what Shubha Karma is what? Punya. Born of Punya. What are they? Namely, Priya, Moda, Pramoda, which are generated on account of our Punya. In that, whatever Chaitanya gets reflected, that is what is Anandam. Iti evam, in this manner, Vrittyupadhikrita Bheda. On account of distinction due to the Bheda, distinction between the Upadhis, Vritti Upadhi Bheda, Jnanadinam Atma Dharmatva Vyapadeshaha. Vyapadeshaha, this way of seeing, this way of describing or names that Jnana, Vishaya or this Ananda, these are the Guna Dharmas of Atma. In reality, it is not so. For which he quotes Vruddhavachana. Vruddhavachana means of elderly Mahatmas. So, Taduktam Tikayam. To this Taduktam. So this phrase comes with Taduktam means with respect to this is told. In this connection, this is what is said. So, what is that? Tikayam. In Tika. Now, the question comes, what is this Tika? I was struggling because nowhere in the Bhamati or Nyaya Nirnaya it is there, Tika. Then I just was going through Satyananda Deepika. There he has quoted this and he has given it from Panchapadika. He has given the page of the book which he had referred to. It may be not be of use to us. So, but one thing is sure, it is from where? Panchapadika. So, therefore, Tika is what? Panchapadika, Padmapadacharya has said in the Tika, maybe in the Vivarna only, yes sir. This of the Panchapadika Tika only possible. That yes, Panchapadika Tika. So this is Tikaya, this is Panchapadika. Anandaha Vishayanubhavaha Nityatvam cha iti santi dharmaha aprathakve api chaitanyatvat prathak iva avabhasante iti. This Ananda, happiness, joy. Vishayanubhava here is pratyaksha direct perception or inferential knowledge. Literally Vishayanubhava is what? Experience of the object. It can be direct perceptual knowledge or inferential knowledge about the object. Vishayanubhava. Nityatvam. Nityatvam, that being permanent Nitya means that which is without Utpatti, Vikara, etc. Utpatti, Vikara, etc. That is Nityatva, everlasting. Cha iti is Santi, they are what? This dharmaha, do you know what is that? Chaitanyat apruthakve api. Though they are, pruthak means different, apruthak means identical. They are nothing but Chaitanyat apruthakve api. Though they are not separate from Chaitanya in the sense, Ananda, then the Vishayanubhava and Nityatva, though they are very Swarupa, though they are very nature of Atma, what happens? Pruthak iva avabhasante. They appear as though they are separate. On account of what? Vrittis, antakarana vrittis. Because of its manifestation, the different types of antakarana vritti, so that appears as what? Another thing, actually, even Anubhava. You know what is Anubhava? Chaitanya only. You say sorrowful, dukkha Anubhava. Others you say joy, happiness. Vrittis differ, but actually what is that? What you are experiencing was Chaitanya only. So therefore Anubhava also is not, it is also Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa in a specific vritti, you call it. And the same Chidabhasa in a specific, another vritti you call it happiness. अभी किसको पकड़ेंगे? Which you would like to have? Better get rid of both vrittis and take to the very basis of the vritti, which is nothing but Ananda Swarupa. Nothing but Ananda Swarupa. So therefore, that is therefore, this is not the actual differences, not actual gunas, but they appear so on account of antakarana vrittis. So therefore this Purvapaksha doubt is answer. Now that third line, Ajnanasya cha ayogat, that continues, that discussion continues now. Third line is the same thing, middle, cha ayogat, no? Before nanu. That nanu, doubt is answered now. That is over. Now the connection to that ayogat afterwards, ataha, therefore. What is that therefore? In Atma, or for adhyasa, there being no samskara, there being no sadrisha, there being no ajnana, therefore nirguna brahmatva mate. This is the Purva Paksha. Now see, the rat will be out. Why? He was all along proving that adhyasa is not possible, is improper, is for this purpose. So what is a in your case, it's a nirguna brahmatma mate. Brahmatmatva mate. Who are those? Those who consider Brahma as nirguna and atmatva identical with Atma. Who are they? Vedanta. Vedanta. In your case, Vedanti, you accept nirguna Brahma identical with Atma. In Mate, you say, look now. Aham karomi iti pratitehe arthasya. I do. I do. Means what? I am the doer. I do. What we have to say, Vedanta has to say? Is it knowledge or Brahma Adhyasa? I do. Kartrutva, doership. I do. Is it knowledge or Brahma? Brahma. Is it not? It is not proved. It cannot be proved. Why? Right now I have told. Adhyasa in Atma is not possible. So therefore say, aham karomiti pratitehe. Pratitehe means of such experience or such cognition and its arthasya, its object. You see, cha adhyasatva ayogat. Make a note there. Adhyasatva a is that. Adhyasatva yogat. In such case, you know what you can do? Just that why is there, no, akar is there, just underline it. It means you know, oh, you should be careful here. It is not the sattva yoga, ayoga like that. Is there, just for that. Just by such marks you can know. Otherwise, every time you write you can write also there. Ayoga, that can be done. So ayoga. Pramatvatvam satyatvam cha. That cognition, I am doer, I do, is what? Prama. Don't take Brahma now. It is not adhyasa, because already I have shown you adhyasa is not possible. I do is what? Actual knowledge. Valid. Prama means valid knowledge. You know what is the definition of Prama? Not yathartha. Yathartha. Yathartha jnana. The correct knowledge is Prama, in opposed to Brahma. Therefore, jnana word can be true, correct or incorrect also. Just as anubhava can be true to the object or may not be true to the object. Therefore, the word jnana can be true to the object or not true. But when you say Prama, there is no appeal. It has to be correct knowledge. Yathartha jnanam. So therefore say, look. So therefore, pramatvam. What is prama now? I aham karomi is satyam. And artha, object whatever that are there, they are prama, it is prama, correct knowledge, and object artha is satyatvam. Do you accept now? If you accept, you are doomed. Do you know why? Adhyasa is not possible. I do, I experience is real, therefore bondage is real, artha objects are real, jagat is real, therefore what? Moksha, by jnana, moksha is not possible, jiva brahma ikya, not possible. So that is now, see, he is concluding now. So therefore, he says, aham, another thing. Then you may ask, sir, I am a man, such experience is there. So you say, then what? That is secondary. It is secondary. Say, aham naraha iti samanadhikaranyasya means a knowledge in the same locus, because aham naraha, how many things are there? I and man. I am man, that together, that means unity between these two is what? It is not, it is only secondary thing. It should not be taken as a prama. It is not to be taken. But I do, yes. I do is a correct knowledge, prama. So that will say, aham nara iti samanadhikaranasya gaunatvam iti. It is gauna. It is only something secondary. Iti asteyam. This should be accepted. Adhyasa is not possible. I do, etc. bondage is real. I am a man, etc. These are secondary notions. We need not bother about them much. Yes, sir. Therefore, so then what happens? Tathacha. Now the actual thing he brings out. Till now he has kept up the sleeves. And we were all nodding the head. Yes, adhyasa is not possible. Adhyasa is not possible. Of course, Siddhanta is going to point out with pakka that adhyasa is possible. But first the Purva Paksha. They say Tathacha. Tathacha means that Purva Paksha continues. And also, Tathacha means, see, and also, or, and likewise, in like manner, so Tathacha, Bandhasya Satyataya. Bandha is what? Satya. You all accept it now. Because adhyasa is not possible. So the I do, etc. is real. Prama it is. Satyataya jnanat nivritti rupa phala sambhava. By knowledge, the phala in the form of nivritti. Nivritti of what? Elimination of the bondage. Asambhavat, being not possible. Asambhavat. So therefore it says, so baddha mukta yoho. Now therefore asambhava means what happens? Jiva is bound and you are Brahma mukta. Is it not? So therefore we say baddha mukta yoho. Of these two, baddha is who? Jiva. Mukta is who? Brahma. You say, namely Jiva Brahmanoho. He also specified there only. Of Jiva and Brahma who are corresponding comes, that means in order, bound and liberated. Aikya yogena. Aikyasya ayogena, because it being not possible to have identity between them. You say Vishaya Sambhavat. Vishayasya asambhavat. What Vishaya? Jiva Brahma Aikya is impossible. So therefore Shastram na arambhayam. See, in the beginning we had to say, now he has proved it. He has proved it. Shastram na arambhaniyam. Because Brahma, what is Shastra? Brahma Mimamsa. How many are happy? अच्छा, छुट्टी मिल गया. ये तो हफ्ते में 3 दफे कौन आएगा ब्रह्मसूत्र क्लास को? So Shastram na arambhaniyam. Why? Phala, prayojana is not there and Vishaya is not there. Because see, for any Shastra, this should be pakka there. Prayojana, that result, and the phala. Both are not proved. So therefore, yes, na arambhaniyam iti Purapaksha bhashya tatparyam. This is the tatparya. This is the purport of the bhashya. Which bhashya? Purapaksha bhashya means what we have called as akshepa bhashya. This is the purport of this. Now he says, Vishaye, that is adhyasaha mithya iti bhavitum yuktam. Mithya iti means what? Nasti. It is not there. Iti bhavitum yuktam. The yuktam is proper. Na yuktam is not proper. Adhyasa is not proper. That not proper, that word shows the Purva Paksha is weak. Because he could not give a valid distinction said because of this Purvapaksha is impossible. He could not give. He says the possibility is not there. So it is therefore he says it is a yukta grahana. Because the word used is yukta means proper, na yukta means not proper. Tika only Purvapakshasya durbalatvam suchayati. Purvapakshasya durbalatvam means it is a weak point. That when I say weak point, you say no, it is a Purvapaksha has his weak point. It is not a strong point. It is suchayati. Who suchayati? Bhashyakara. See, look, nobody had answered. Bhashyakara only has formulated that. So that is, though such a thinking is there, it is not correct, it is not very valid, it will be proved. Now, the role of who? Siddhanta. To show that your conclusion, adhyasa, is not proper, is not correct. Is not correct. And you see, the very same arguments given by Purvapaksha are made use to prove that he is wrong. Like that a lawyer goes on arguing at length, etc. The opponent lawyer hears and says, because what has been said so, so he proves that he is wrong. So therefore now this person, Purvapaksha, who has concluded that adhyasa is not proper, should be asked, sir, I have got 3 queries. Not more. I won't take much of your time because the judge will be busy. So I have got only 3 queries. You said adhyasa is not possible. Please let me know. He says tatha. Now he is tathahi. Tathahi means it is. This phrase means for this it has been said like this. For this means what? You have told that adhyasa is not proper. This tathahi is a phrase like this. For this means whatever that is described or told earlier, it has been said like this means this is what we have to say you. So tathahi. Now the question is, kim adhyasasya nastitvam? You said what? Adhyasa is not there. Is it because of either of these reasons? Ayuktatvat, number 1. So first reason is what? Ayuktatvat. Ayuktatvat means what? It is not proper. Do you mean to say the adhyasa is not possible because it is not proper? One question. Abhanadva. Adhyasa is not possible because there is no bhana means no experience. See, look, adhyasa is not experienced at all. Therefore it is not there. Do you mean to say so? Second question. Third is karana bhavatva. Because there is no cause for adhyasa. Is it because of that? Now here 3 questions are there. He says, first question, if you say yes, what is it? Because it is ayukta, means improper. God bless you. You know why? We also say the same thing, and actually it is not an against argument, it is an argument for us only. So that I say, adyaha ishtaha iti aha. Adyaha. Adya means the first, that reason. First ayuktatva is what? Ishtaha. That argument is what? Reason is what? Desirable. Means acceptable to us. Adhyasa is not proper, we also accept that. Therefore he says, tata. Answer now, bhashya, tathapi iti. Tathapi means, the meaning of tathapi we have seen, nevertheless, even then, it is there in the word meaning we already got. Even then, or yet, still. See, tathapi iti. Now the question is a little rule of formulation of sentence. Syntax comes here. When you say tathapi, even then, nevertheless, so yet, still means in the sentence earlier there must be though or although something is there. Even then, should be there now, but there is no such a thing. So therefore, so we say because of this, that tathapi is there, though not told, we have to add there yadyapi. Yadyapi means though, although. What Tikakara said, somebody said, Bhashikara's sentence is wrong, construction of sentence is wrong. So that Tikakara answered, you know what is that? What are you doing? You are doing Brahma Mimamsa. And you are a Mimamsaka, the one who is, that means doing inquiry. Being a Mimamsaka, if you don't know this much, don't know this much, to complete a sentence, required word has to be supplied, adhyara has to be done. You are not fit for me. you are not fit for. Anyway, see, at times, even in the writing also, you have to make fun of it. So therefore, you are not fit for Mimamsa, because this is a common sense of any reader. If a sentence is incomplete and the context, whatever the word is warranted, he has to supply it, adhyara. So therefore say, so it is not a mistake on the part of Shankara, Bhashyakara, one who has written all these things, what mistake it can be. So therefore he says, no. Say tatha, therefore he says, etadanurodhat. Etadanurodhat means in accordance with the word tathapi used by Bhashyakara. In accordance with the word. What is that word? Tathapi. Used by who? Bhashyakara. That is what? Etadanurodhena. Adau. In the beginning. Do you know where it is beginning? Not before tathapi. Yushmad asmad pratyaya gochara yoho means actually what you should do, adhyara yadyapi yushmad asmad pratyaya gochara yoho continues up to mithya bhavitum yuktam tathapi. So that is what says adau yadyapi iti pathitavyam. So you have to read at what? Yadyapi iti pathitavyam. So now you said ishtaha. Ishtaha means that ayuktatvam, adhyasa is improper, is acceptable to us, desirable. Why? He gives the Tikakara, gives the reason. Adhyasasya asanga swaprakashatmani ayuktatvam alankaraha iti bhavaha. Adhyasasya ayuktatvam alankaraha iti bhava. Why will say afterwards? Adhyasa is not proper. You know, this is what alankara means, you know that? It is ornamental as far as Vedanta is concerned. It is not a defect. It is not a defect. It is something, a plus point. It is a plus point. So what is that adhyasa? Where adhyasa not possible? Asanga swaprakashatmani. In Atma, which is Asanga, where Ajnana also cannot be there. Even Ajnana also is Adhyasta only, will be seen afterward. So Asanga Atma, which Swaprakasha, Adhyasa is not proper, is Alankara, is an argument for Vedanta. We accept that, something ornamental. See, some Dvaitin, so they just wrote this thing, an article, pointing out 100 defects in Vedanta, and title was given Shata Dushani. 100 defects according to them, 100 defects. Somebody else came Shata Bhushani. That Bhushana, how it is Bhushan Alankara, he proved it. So like that, you say it is what? That was not correct. Alankara is good, we accept it. Thank you for that. Okay. So now you say, now second one. See, look here, what are the reasons are ayukta, accepted. Second one, abhana, not experienced, you are wrong. Look here, you are wrong. Moment by moment we are experiencing it. As for no cause will be answered afterward. There is a cause will be answered afterward when the bhashya proceeds. Therefore, Na dvitiyaha. What is na dvitiyaha? Abhanatva. Is it? Adhyasa is not possible because there is no bhana, experience or cognition of adhyasa. We don't accept. Why? Listen. Adnyaha. Let me know. Do we not experience this? Adnyaha means aham adnyaha. I am an ignorant person, experienced by us. Karta. I am the doer, experienced by us. Manushyaha aham. I am a man, I am a woman, I am an old man, etc. We are experiencing it. Iti pratyakshanubhavat. Because of direct experience, you don't need Vedanta for that. You did not take to Mimamsa for this. This was even Abala Vriddha, Agopa, even from a cover to a lay person to any scholar experiences this. So therefore, ahamiti pratyakshanubhavat. So therefore, adhyasasya abhanam asiddham. So adhyasasya abhanam. Abhanam means absence of experience is asiddham, is ruled out, cannot be proved at all. So therefore, so that means these experiences, I am an ignorant person, I am a doer, I am a man, etc. These experiences prove the availability of adhyasa in Atma. So therefore I say, iti artha. Now he may say, the Purva Paksha may say, sir, I accept. What I accept? I am an ignorant person, I am doer, I am a man, such experiences are there. But do you know what are they? You are calling them as Brahma Adhyasa. No, that is true. Brahma it is. Purapaksha, don't make a note there. This is Purapaksha. This Purapaksha. What we experience as I am an ignorant person, I am a doer, so I am a man, etc., is not Brahma, is not delusion, it is not Adhyasa, it is Prama. It is what? It is a valid knowledge. If you say so, it is not correct. He says, Nacha idam pratyaksham kartrutvadau prama iti vacham. This pratyaksha means this direct experience, direct perception. What is the direct experience? I am an ignorant person, so I am this manusha, I am the doer. This pratyaksham, kartrutvadau pramaiti nachavacham, that na should be brought. So always this, be careful about this na. In the beginning, you have to take it last with the word navacham. So don't say, no, look here, you only told it directly experience, therefore what? So that proves that it is prama. No, you see, only because it is experience, it not be knowledge. Shukti Rajata, do you experience or not? Yes. Shell as silver, do you experience or not? But you know that it is Brahma. So like that. So Nachavacham, don't say that. So why? Because entire Shruti has proved Brahma, Atma is Akarta and it is Asamsari. So therefore your direct experiences goes against Shruti, which is stronger Pramana. Shruti. So therefore stronger Pramana, Jnana Sadhana, means of knowledge, rules out the weaker. So direct perception is the weaker Pramana, whereas Shruti is the highest Pramana. So therefore say, Apaurusheyataya nirdoshena, it says, Brahmatva nishchaya. So look, Shruti, like Tattvamasi Mahavakya. Where is that Tattvamasi Mahavakya? You are Brahma Swarupa. Aham Brahmasi. Where is it? Upanishads. Upanishads are in Vedas. Vedas are Paurusheya or Apaurusheya. Paurusheya means product of human intellect. Apaurusheya means from Ishvara himself. They are Apaurusheya. Paurusheya, even if a great scientist, being a human intellect, possibility of defects are there. Need not be certainly definitely defective, but defective possibility of defects are there. Apaurusheya is something which is totally flawless, and therefore Apaurusheyataya, by Mahavakya like Tattvamasi, that is going to come. Apaurusheya Nirdoshena. Whatever that is Apaurusheya means told in the Vedas, being not the product of any human intellect, it is Nirdosha, free from defect. So therefore, again, not only that, not only Shruti is so, Upakramadi lingavadhrita tatparyena cha, by tatparya, the ascertainment of final purport based on reasonings of Upakrama, Upasamhara, etc. Shadlingas are there. 6 types of criteria based on which you prove something. They will come in the course of the Sutra Bhashya, because somewhere we have to make use of it. We will come afterward. So by this, Upakramadi, Lingavadhrita, Avadhrita ascertained, Tatparyanita, where reasoning also is there, Tattvamasyadi Vakyena, by Mahavakyas like Tattvamasyadi, Ayamatma Brahma, Aham Brahmasmi, Pratnyanam Brahma, like this, by this Mahavakya, Akartritva Brahmatva Bodhanena, what is taught, what is revealed is Brahma as Akarta. So that your experience is what? Aham Karta. But Shruti says Brahma is Akarta. Iti Kartritvena Asya. Asya Brahmatvam. Asya Brahmatvam means that I am the doer, etc., which you call it as Prama. It is not Prama. It is Brahmatva Nishchaya. So that's why it is. So Brahma, it is Brahma means Adhyasa, error. It is erroneous knowledge. Nishchaya. So therefore, you can't say I am doer, etc. is knowledge. It is Brahma only. Other argument. Look, it is said direct perception is said to be Jeshta Pramana. You know what is Jeshta Pramana? You know who is Jeshta? Gujarati Jet. Elder brother-in-law is called Jet. Jeshta means a senior. That's all. Jeshta. Among the Pramanas, the perception is said to be senior Pramana. You know what is the reason for that? It is the basis for rest of the Pramana. For example, you are inferring there yonder is fire. But you can infer fire provided you have already seen the smoke. Smoke, are you inferring or you are directly seeing? Directly. So therefore, direct perception is the basis for your further inference because of certain vyapti, etc., certain rules, etc. That is fine, etc. Illustrations is a pramana, but upama is a pramana, but based on what? This. So therefore, so now you are taking Shabda Pramana, Vedanta. Suppose person is not able to hear and the ENT doctor cannot do anything at all. Brahma Mimamsa postponed to next life. That also, if you get the Manusya embodiment with proper Acharya, etc., that is there. There are very many ifs and buts and ifs are there. So that way. So therefore, he said it is Jeshta Pramana. It is the very prominent Pramana. So therefore, what Shruti says we should not take seriously. We should not take seriously. Why? The direct perception is Jeshta Pramana. He says, my dear sir, Jeshta Pramana means we need as a basis, but what is told is not correct. Therefore, will you say, you have seen silver in the place of shell. Is it not Pratyaksha Prama? Yes. Why do you that conclude it as to be ascertained as to be Brahma? Because defect is there in the Pratyaksha. It is not flawless, it is not Nirdosha, it is Sadosha. That way perception, useful, it is the basis for all of the Pramana, but it is not Nirdosha, it is Sadosha. And therefore you can't say, because Pratyaksha is this thing, direct, senior most Pramana, is therefore important Pramana, therefore what is told by Shruti is wrong. You can't say because it clashes with our direct experience, you can't say. Nacha jeshta pratyaksha virodha. Now you keep that nacha separate, okay? We'll take it afterward. So, jeshta pratyaksha virodha. Because of virodha. With what? Jeshta pratyaksha. Pratyaksha pramana. What is the virodha? I am an ignorant person. I am a doer. Is directly experienced or not? And what your Shruti says? Brahma is akarta. Huh? Now you say we have to now ascertain which of the two is correct. Direct perceptions, experience says I am the doer. And the Shruti says Brahma is non-doer, akarta. Which of the two? His argument is direct experience is jeshta pramana and therefore it is to be accepted. He says no, it is flawless. Only the not flawless. It is defective. Which is defective? Jeshta pramana is defective and Shruti is flawless. So therefore that has to be accepted, that he says. So don't say like this. Jeshta pratyaksha virodhat agama jnanasya eva badhaha. Agama jnana. What is agama jnana? Brahma is akarta, badhaha. It should be negated. It should be wrong. So you can't say that. Say badha iti nacha vacham. See, vacham comes there, nacha. Nacha vacham. You should not, you can't say so. Why? Do you know what will happen? Thereby, dehatmavada prasanga. It will lead to the wrong conclusion that the body is Atma. Dehatmavada. Deha is Atma. You know who there? This is Asuranam Upanishad. In Chandogya, Virochana concluded this. Virochana and Indra went to Prajapati to gain the knowledge. He taught something. Virochana totally misunderstood it, and then he said he went to his kingdom and told body is Atma. Bas. You do anything but pamper the body. Indra also had concluded, but on the way he found that something and he went repeatedly and finally he got that body cannot be Atma. Atma Swarupa he could directly discover. So therefore he says, Dehatmavada prasanga. Manushyaha ahamiti pratyaksha virodhena. See, look what Shruti says. According to you, I am a man is a prama, is it not knowledge? Opposed means totally proving this to be wrong. Shruti, what he says, you know, atha ayam ashariraha. Ayam means this Atma is, asharira means without the body. You are taking I am a man, etc. means dehatmavada. I am the body. In total contrast to this, the Shruti says, ayam ashariraha. This Atma is totally free from embodiment. Ityadi Shrutya. What is that? Dehad anyatma siddhehe. Dehad anyasya anyasya atmanaha asiddhehe. So that actually atha ayam asharira, you know what it proves? Atma is distinct from the body. But if you say Deha is body, this Shruti statement will go wrong. It cannot go wrong. Why? It is apaurushaya. So that Dehad anyatma siddhe. See like this. Dehad, it should be resolved like this. Dehad anyasya atmanaha asiddhi. Because of that is not, you will not be able to prove that Atma is distinct from body from the Shruti statement athayam ashariraha. So it can't go wrong. So therefore Deha as body is wrong. So therefore Shruti is more powerful than your Jeshta Pratyaksha, for which he said Pratyaksha is full of defects. How? Example he gives. What is it? Tasmat idam rajatam itivat samanadhikaranya pratyakshasya. Now this is silver. This is which silver? Not actual silver. The shell taken to be silver. This is knowledge or Brahma. Brahma. We know it as a Brahma. But in the same locus of shell, what is seen is there? Silver. Therefore, Samanadhikarana is there or not? So, this is pratyaksha or not, direct experience or not, and yet you know it is wrong. So therefore it says rajata idam rajatam itivat samanadhikaranya pratyakshasya aham naraha, I am a man. That means in aham is what locus? Atma. Naraha is what? This locus. So this cannot be one, and it is like this is silver where the actual shell is there. Say pratyakshasya brahmatva shanka kalankitasya. It is kalankita, tainted by the brahmatva shanka, that is possibility of the brahmatva being the error. Na agamat prabalyam iti astheyam. It is agamat na prabalyam. It is not stronger pramana. What is not stronger pramana? Pratyaksha, jeshta pratyaksha is not stronger pramana than agama. Iti astheyam means this should be accepted. So with this, what is that? That adhyasa is not proper, we do accept, but adhyasa is experience, and afterwards it is going to be proved that adhyasa has got a cause. Adhyasa has a cause. So with this now, parihara bhashya we are starting. So we already said, for tathapi, what adhyara has to be made? Yadyapi, at the beginning, yushmadasmat pratyaya gocharayo. Now tathapi. Now read the bhashya. Tathapi. Bhashya. Tathapi. Anyonyasmin. Anyonyatmakatam. Anyonya dharmanscha. Adhyasya. Itaretara vivekena. Itaretara vivekena. Atyanta viviktayoho. Dharma dharminoho. Mithya jnana nimittaha. Satyanrite mithuni kritya. Ahamidam mama idamiti naisargikaha ayam loka vyavaharaha. This is samadhana bhashya. Parihara bhashya is over. Parihara samadhana for what? Reply. For akshepa, objection or the doubt. Says tathapi, yet, still, even then. Earlier yadyapi means though, what is that though, although? Though adhyasa is not proper. Adhyasa between what? Atma and anatma and their attributes, mutual attributes. Though adhyasa is not possible, tathapi, even then, nevertheless, yet, still. Now take anvaya of this sentence. It should that sentence. Tathapi, then, atyanta viviktayoho dharma dharminoho. After you can say, if you note this anvaya, then the sentence will become clear, because there are so many clauses are there. So many, it is not a small sentence, a big sentence. So therefore, tathapi, then take atyanta viviktayoho dharma dharminoho, then itaretara vivekena. You can go on putting numbers. Itaretara vivekena, then take for beginning anyonyasmin anyonyatmakatam anyonya dharman cha become dharman cha adhyasya then satyanrite mithuni kritya ahamidam mama idam iti again earlier page Mithya jnana nimittaha. There, second line, middle. Mithya jnana nimittaha. Mithya jnana nimittaha. Then last, naisargikaha ayam loka vyavaharaha. Naisargikaha ayam loka vyavaharaha. I will repeat. Tathapi atyanta viviktayoho dharmadharminoho itaretara vivekena अन्योन्यस्मिन् अन्योन्यात्मकताम् अन्योन्य धर्मान् च अध्यस्य सत्यामृते मिथुनीकृत्य अहमिदं ममेदम् इति मिथ्या ज्ञान निमित्तः नैसर्गिकः अयं लोक व्यवहारः अयं लोक तथापि वैसे. Now how? See, what is tathapi? Adhyasa is not proper, accepted. Yet even then, say, it has taken place this way. Why? Because these two, Atma and Anatma, what is that nature? Atyanta viviktayoho dharma dharminoho. Of these two, dharma is what? Attributes. Dharmi, the substance. Between the thing and its attribute. So here, so dharma, dharminoho, or it can be like this. Yes, in the dharma, you can take it in Atma and Anatma. Viktayoho, dharma, dharminoho, dharma, dharminoho. So, see this word, atyanta is very important. Which are totally different. Vivikta means different. This dharma and dharmi. So dharma and dharmi is what? See like this. Atma and its dharma on one side. Other side is what? Anatma and its dharma. What is Atma? Atma is the dharma or no, Atma is dharmi. Vastu, the thing is. And Chaitanya, Sukha, Nityatva, these are the dharmas, attributes. Okay? Anatma is dharma. Anatma is dharmi. Anatma is dharmi, means vastu. Okay? Then jadatva, dukkha, etc. are what? They are the attributes. That are dharma. So these, whether it is Atma, that means whether it is the dharma that is, and the dharmi in the case of Atma, and on the other side, dharma and dharmi in the case of Anatma, they are what? He says, atyanta viviktayoho. They are vivikta, means distinct, separate, bhinna. They are totally bhinna. Atyanta viviktayoho, dharma dharmino. Now what has happened? Itaretara vivekena. Because of not cognizing the distinction. Itaretara vivekena, not cognizing distinction. Bhamati explains itaretara vivekena as vivekagrahena. Bhamati, last but 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth. Last but fifth line, somewhere at the end. Bhamati, huh? That itaretara vivekena is bold. Itaretara vivekena bold is there afterwards. Vivekagrahena iti. Bold itaret, you find out that itaretara vivekena bold one. Uske baad mein. So vivekagrahena, because of not cognizing, viveka here means distinction. What distinction? Atma and its features, Anatma and its features are atyanta bhinna. Not knowing this means some mix-up has taken place. So therefore, itaretara vivekena, what is being done? Anyonyasmin, on one another, means on Atma, superimposition of Anatma, on Anatma, superimposition of Atma, on the Anatma, the Gunadharma of Atma. On Atma, the Gunadharma of Anatma, like this. Anyonyasmin, Anyonyatmakatam. Atmakata is Swarupa. On one, the actual nature of the other is being superimposed. Again, Anyonya dharmanscha adhyasya. Anyonya dharma, the mutual attributes. So that mutual attributes, that means the attribute of one being superimposed on the other. So adhyasya, having superimposed, says, and look here, huh? Having superimposed means something is already done. Thereafterwards, Satyanrite Mithuni Kritya. Having, again Kritya, having united, coupled together Satya and Anruta. See, all this has got reason, which will be explained in the Tikas, etc. We'll see after. First, having superimposed Atma on Anatma, Anatma on Anyona is that mutual, Anatma on Atma, then the having superimposed the attributes of Atma on Anatma, attributes of Anatma on Atma, having done that, see, look at, having superimposed, then something else is being done. So what is that? Satyanrite Mithuni Kritya. Satya is Chidatma, Andruta is Buddhyadi, so and their features. So that's why I say Mithuni Kritya. Mithuni Kritya means having combined, having united, having coupled. You know what happens? Ahamidam mama idamiti. I am this. What is that? Ahamidam shariram. I am this shariram. Mama idam. This belongs to me. Iti, says, iti, mithya, now the cause. Mithya ajnana nimittaha ayam loka vyavahara. It is caused by what? Ajnana, which is mithya, means inexplicable. So such thing is, so it is caused by mithya, that is inexplicable. Inexplicable. So as a result, what has happened? Inexplicable. So that is caused by the ajnana. Ayam, so that is the naisargikaha ayam loka vyavahara. This vyavahara, this expression or this misconception of the people, which is naisargikaha, means natural, which is natural. See, all these words have got lot of import, will be unearthed now. Naisargikaha, what is loka, what is vyavahara, so all these will be seen as.
Apyayantu mamangani va pranashchakshusrotramato balamindriyani cha sarvani sarvam brahma upanishadam maham brahma nirakuryam mama brahma nirakaro anirakaranamastvanirakaranam me astu tadatmani nirateya upanishadsu dharmaste mahi santu om shanti 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 palyadishvapi jagudadishu tatha sarvasvavasthasvapi vyavluttasvanuvartamanamahamiyantaspurantam sada swatmanam prakatīkaroti bhajatam yo mudraya bhadraya tasmai shri gurumurtaye namaidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Ashubhani Nirachaste Tanoti Shubha Santatim श्रुतिमात्रेण यत्पुंसाम् ब्रह्म तन्मङ्गलं परम् अधिकल्याणरूपत्वात् नित्यकल्याणसंश्रयात् स्मर्तॄणां वरदत्वात् च ब्रह्म तन्मङ्गलं विदुः ओङ्कारश्चाकशब्दश्च द्वावेतौ ब्रह्मणः पुरा कण्ठं भित्त्वा विनिर्यातौ तस्मात्